I actually thought that car was on tow for a while, but it's not, is it? Must be weird to be in that position where you think it's fine to not be able to see where you're going. How the heck do you end up there? From what angle? That's quite impressive, isn't it? That's an unusual one. Somebody's big end's gone. Alright, bad joke. I apologise. Well, I'm in the mindset of the bad joke. I was riding down here the other day and there was a car pulled over on this grass here. And the fella had the bonnet up, he was looking at the engine, so I pulled over and said, you alright there, mate? And he just looked up and went, piston broke. So I rode off. I know it's hard times with the coronavirus and everything, but I don't agree with drink driving, so I wasn't helping him. Give this fella a wide berth. I think I've already spooked him a bit. And he's off. Don't want one of them charging me.